Hi guys, and welcome to another video, another quick SEIKO unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sarb035. If you saw my first video, you know I already have the green dialed Sarb017. SEIKO recently discontinued these and the price shot through the roof, so I wanted to get the 035 before the same thing happens to them. I'm a big fan of the cream dial. Before we get into the unboxing of the Sarb, let's do today's wristwatch check. It's a little old vintage Lanco manual winds. Nice little domed acrylic, I believe. Blue face, love the blue. But yeah, let's get this one off so we can get into the unboxing of the Sarb. So yeah, picked this up from eBay used, so I'm not sure what to expect. Looks like we have the instruction manual and the guarantee card, which is good to see. And then inside SEIKO's box we've got some additional foam, so a careful seller probably, wrapped up in a little microfiber, and inside some spare links, so thanks to the seller for including those, much appreciated. And here we have the gorgeous Sarb035, the cream face, classic design, very simple, understated, nice applied indices there. Very nice automatic 23 dual scripts. And one of my favorite things about this watch is just the classic elegant case shape there, lovely curved design with the polished sides and the brushing that comes down on the lugs. Very simple, but attention to detail, very nicely done. You have the engraved S on the crown here. SEIKO's in-house 6R15 movement that we should be able to see. Nice display case back. Of course, the 6R15 includes hacking and hand winding, so you can wind it when it's in its normal position, pull it out to the first position to adjust the date, and then the final position, second position, you will stop the second hand for more accurate time setting. This one is on SEIKO's original bracelet. It's a nice solid feeling bracelet, polished links with, I believe, screw connectors. Oh, maybe these are pins. Yeah, I think those are just standard pins, but in any event, it's a nice enough bracelet for this watch. I think it would look smart on a leather strap as well. For now, I'm going to leave it on the bracelet. Just looking forward to wearing it, to be honest. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. 38mm, I believe, similar diameter to the 017, same range of course, so it wears nicely, not too big, not too small, just a nice classic SEIKO design, SEIKO style. Now, worth mentioning, the face, the dial here, on the camera it looks almost white. In real life there is more of a cream color to the dial. So worth bearing that in mind if you're thinking about picking one of these up. But I think more classic and less common than the blackface style, the 033. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like or subscribe to the video, and stay tuned for some more watch unboxings, watch reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.